In this video, I'm going to show you how to use badges in Last C Survival Shooter. So this Last C Survival Shooter is an application that you can download from Google Play. So it also has some badges and I'll show you how to use them. So first, you can complete tasks with full preparedness because every 4 hours, 5 task categories cycle from Hero XP, Shelter Upgrade, Troop Training, Tech Research, Vehicle Mod. Each has 3 chest thresholds. Unlocking those chests earns that badge count. Tier 3 yields the most merits. So you can also accumulate merits daily from tiered tasks and unlock them to merit chests that provide high value rewards like orange fragments, skill books, blueprints, and diamonds. You can also aim for efficiency by unlocking Tier 1 and 2 across multiple categories that can be more efficient than chasing Tier 3 in a single one. Focus on easier tasks like Hero XP and vehicle mods, only to upgrade to Tier 3 when justified. Use Gold Hour when full preparedness aligns with Alliance Duel to earn merits twice for one action. We also have a smart rotation strategy you can plan by the 4 hour cycle. You can use schedule interface to prioritize tasks during active windows and select 3 focal tasks that you identify that can actually help you consistently reach tier 2 or 3. So Hero XP and vehicle mods are more often fastest. You also have options for fallbacks, so if tier 3 is out of reach, aim for tier 2 on more tasks so you'll get the same merits for fewer resources. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.